Hi, my name is Malvika. I'm in Nantarang since last 7 years, and I'm enjoying being in Nantarang and very happy to call myself an Nantarangi. I'm an emotional coach and I do career counseling too, besides working for Antarang. Yeah, going back, starting from last 7 years, I came to know about Antarangs through some newspaper advertisement that something for women was going on, and that time I taken a sabbatical. So I was already working as a professor in IGNU, and I like the concept of Antarang of an NGO doing something for children. Communication always has been my forte, so I thought that why not just join and understand what is it. I never knew that it would be such an amazing journey, and I would carry on for so many years. More because Antaram is not only an organization which wants to do something for others, but they are very good into taking care of their facilitators too. And I'm so happy, that I have been in Antaram, and this is the reason, in spite of me having tough schedule otherwise too, I'm not leaving Antaram because it is giving me an opportunity to work for these children. I'm also done projects with Kotak, Apnalaya, Axis Bank. I do projects with them. बट वहाँ पे मुझे फुल टाइम नहीं मिलता है. आई जस्ट गेट काउंसलिंग ओवर देयर. But Antarang gives me a chance to talk to these children for 14 sessions, again for 6 sessions. So at the end of it, I understand which child is doing what. तो I teach them कि आपको इंजीनियर एंड डॉक्टर तो सब कोई नहीं बन सकता. फाइन, सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्सेज ले लो एंड टेक those courses and do it, but understand. If you are not able to pass even your 10th, you can't say कि मुझे banker और accountant बनना है. Take a certification course, do a diploma course. So ये career guidance becomes so important for them, so that they understand कि हाँ मैंने अगर certification course किया तो मैं हम लोग खराब नहीं है, हम लोगों ने diploma किया तो हम लोग खराब नहीं है. Yeah. You are doing good in that too. So that way. Another is बहुत बार मैं girls को भी देखती हूँ, beautician. So I have said, ब्यूटिशियन के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? कुछ नहीं, पार्लर में ज्वाइन करेंगे. I said no, that is not there. You can do so much more. Cosmetology is there. There's a proper diploma course. There are proper spa courses. There are proper therapy courses. See, this is how career guidance becomes important. They can make a proper pathway. So then they start thinking, okay, अगर ये भी कर सकते हैं तो then we need to study. So we can study in that particular field. The first time that I went to a school, it was very different from what the students are right now. I think that time the students were not very disciplined, but they had a quest for learning something. And over the years, I have seen that the depth, the students want to go into the depth of understanding what is going to be ahead and going to be unfolding for them. So right from the beginning, I mean since last 7 years, the students, they did not know what is a career, they did not know what is a job, they did not know what is the difference in that. Students that time, they did not know how they are going to be able to take their decisions, and over the years I am seeing an informed decision that the students have been taking for themselves. Yeah, challenges are there in every classroom, in every session. Because the students are there who do not want to do anything. There are some students who do not want me to teach anything. There are some students who want to misbehave and show that they are better than me. But I think one thing I've realized in all the students is that the more you respect them on who they are, what they are, the position that they are in, they will start taking a liking in you and the subject. So it will, I have never shouted at any student, and my students are very good with me, and whenever I go to the class, I always tell them that I am very lucky to be with you all. One thing I would like to tell them is that try to see, try to find out, try to unfold the various careers that are available. Don't have a jinx or going and doing what you have heard. Hearing, listening, understanding, all three are different aspects. So try to find out what is going to be good for you. Try to find out what are your strengths, weakness, what are your skills, and don't make a mistake, because whatever career you are going to be taking is going to be with you for a lifelong. So 15-20 years down the line, if you feel that you should not have been here, rewind it, go back and understand last year what you were, this year how you are, and try to take the proper decision.